Hello, 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 hello. ओके 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 ओके। आवाज़ एको क्यों हो रही है यार? कहीं से तो एको हो रहा है। हेलो 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 हेलो। हेलो 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 हेलो। हेलो। ओके। हाँ, तो शुरू करते हैं। कल कल अपन 2 सवाल सॉल्व कर चुके थे मेरे हिसाब से। यार पासवर्ड फिर भूल गया मैं। पासवर्ड क्या है? ठीक। कल 2 सवाल वापस सॉल्व किए थे। एंड आज अपन तीन तीन सवाल सॉल्व करने का ट्राई करेंगे। तो थर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, consider a money system consisting of n coins. Each coin has a positive integer value. Your task is to calculate the number of distinct ways you can produce a money sum x using the available coins. For example, if the coins are 2, 3, 5 and the desired sum is 9, there are 8 ways. order matters. Modulo. ठीक है. तो कल के प्रॉब्लम की तरह ही सॉल्व होगा ये भी. सॉरी. हमारे पास सम इज इक्वल टू 9 है. ठीक है. कॉइन्स हमें दिए हुए हैं 2, 3 एंड 5. ओके. तो डीपी का स्टेट क्या हो सकता है? व्हाट कैन बी द डीपी स्टेट? बेसिकली number of ways to make some I from available coins, maybe something like this. Okay. So तब बेस केस क्या होगा? What will be the base case then? If we don't have any coins, then there is no way to make the sum, right? But if we have sum is equal to 0, then we have 1. So dp of 0 will be 1. And since we are not having an additional dimension for coins, so we don't need this type of like initialization in the dp. So yeah, I think it should work. For sum 0, there is only one way to make the to get the sum. Okay. So how the transition will happen? So for every sum, we can add or let's say we have two choices. Either we pick the coin, in that case the required sum in that case we'll need the answer for dp of I minus the coin value, right? Or we don't take the coin. Okay. Okay. Only if the I minus coin is, I mean you get it. Let's try to code it and see if the approach is right. Let's see. dp0 is equal to 1. What is the input? N, X and C. Okay. For int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. For auto coin in coins, if I minus coin is greater than equal to 0, dpi plus equal to dpi minus coin. We'll just put a mod. So I think it's the same. Maybe we are missing something. What if the sum is desired sum is 10, 14? What if the desired sum is 4? What if the desired sum is 5? There should be 3 ways. Yep, working. Let's submit and see. Let me change the name. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. Sorry guys. Okay, so this got accepted. Let's move on to the next question. This time we don't have the order here. I mean, basically we are not looking for the same coins in different orders in the answer. We only want the value of the coins, I think. So similar to this thing, the solution is similar to this, but instead of adding here, I think we should divide this thing by 2. Let's see. What to do? What to do? Distinct ordered ways. You can't just like divide it by two at the last because okay. So yeah, I'll just do this. I don't know the logic for it. I'm just thinking of doing it. Distinct order. Hmm. Distinct ordered ways. Let's look for some help. Counting distinct order in DP. Coins. Sorry. Okay. Okay. इसका लॉजिक इसमें ओके मैं इम्प्लीमेंट करके देख लेता हूँ उसके बाद देखते हैं आंसर तो आ रहा है पर इसका लॉजिक क्या है यहाँ लिखा है अच्छा, सो जब भी अपन लूप चलाते हैं डीपी में तो अगर ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं कर रहा है तो कॉइन कहीं भी अपीयर हो सकता है ना। हाँ, तो उसको अंदर रखेंगे। ओके 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 ओके। और अगर डिस्टिंक्ट ऑर्डर चाहिए तो उसको बाहर रखो। ओके, ताकि वो एक ही बार यूज़ हो सके। गॉट इट। In that way, coin will be used only once, and using that coin only will calculate for all the sum, if it is possible to make it or not. I think. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice piece of. We learned something new today. Okay. Sorry. Moving on to the next question. Removing digits. Making 0. One of the how many minimum number of steps required to make the n equal to 0. Okay. So suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 1 will only need one step. 2 will also only need one step. So till 9 we need only one step. From 10 we need 2 steps. Okay. From for 11 we need 3 steps. For 12 we also need 3 steps. So there is a kind of pattern if you can see. If I do it like this, then all the multiples of 10 will be having, let's say what is the answer? 20. Let's see. For 20 I think it will be 18. Let's see, 20, then 18, then 9, and then 0. 1, 2, 3, 3 steps, na? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 steps. So for 20 it is 3. So yes. Now what about 30? 30, we will go 30 to 27 to 20, then same 18 9 0, think. Oh fuck. 10. This is wrong. Okay. 4. And for 30, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So every 10 it is increasing by 2. In between all the numbers, only have like the previous multiple of 10 plus 1, I think. So for 31 and all, it will be the same as. I'm not sure about the 3-digit numbers. Thinking, let's think of a transition for this. If we can think of a transition, then it will be easy. What will be the transition? Okay. Let's see. dp state will be dpi is nothing but minimum steps to reach 0 from I. Okay. Okay. The base case. Base case for 0 we have dp0 we have 0, and dp1 we have 1. Okay. And then the third transition. Okay, so it's simple. dp of I is equal to minimum of how do I make that summation? That sign for every, for all, reverse C, or basically dp of I minus digits of I. Okay. I'm not sure if you get it, but let's implement it, and then you will be able to get the logic as well. For 27, the answer should be 5. Nah, let's not do it anything like this. Let's do it here. Int n, say in n for no mod. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I, okay, vector int dp n plus 1, everything is 0, dp 0 is equal to 0, dp 1 is equal to 1. For int I is equal to 2, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. And int t is equal to I, and while t we'll extract each and every digit from here, and yeah, int d is t modulo 10. Okay, and yep, then we'll just put I minus I minus d in t, and mini is equal to 1e9, mini maxima, and dpi is equal to mini, and mini is equal to minimum of this and mini itself. And in the end we'll just print dp n. Should work. Fuck. What is the issue? Why too, bro? Why? I don't need this. And then we full one. This should work for 27. Let's see the DP table. 10 should have been 2. There is an issue. Hmm. But what is the issue? Hmm. T modulo 10. That is the thing. If t double equal to 0, I'm just going to continue it. The fuck. Okay. Then the issue is what, like for if we have suppose 10, right? So what my code was doing was it was like subtracting 0 from it, and since subtracting 0 will lead to 10 only, so and initially all the values are set to 0 na, so that is why the minimum value will be coming from there only. So instead of this I think I can do it like this also. I'll just set up the I'll just initialize dp with this, and then I'll set up my dp 0 as 0. I think this should work as also. Yep, and this will also work. So yeah, whatever you think is cool, just let's submit it. Stream 50. I mean minus 50. Done. Should we go for the next question, or yeah, let's just see it. Grid paths. We'll leave it for tomorrow, I think. I can solve it, but I don't want to. Okay, we'll leave the rest for tomorrow. Let's go solve some lead code. The fuck? What happened? Oh well, what can I do? Lead code is down, guys. Yep, lead code is down. So, then what we do? We are done with the 3 questions for today, and also should we solve some graph problems? It's been a long time. Solved a lot of graph problems. Maybe this tree algorithm subordinates. Josephus queries. I don't know what this is. Consider a game where there are n children in a circle. What the fuck? Hmm. Who is the kth child that will be removed? So if we have 7 children, and then the first child that will be removed is not 1 but 2. Again, if we have 7 children, then who is the third children that will be removed? I don't understand though. Isn't it random? Yeah, fuck this. Made in the middle. It's not even a square. Number of ways you can create the sum x. Maybe I need to upgrade my advanced techniques. Need to solve this. Oh wow. Did they add new problems or? Is there 2 pointer? No, there is not. But anyway, we'll solve this. We'll solve all of these problems. Yep, we'll solve all this. Anyway, that was it for today. I think if lead code was not down, could have tried to solve the daily problem there, but what can we do? Okay. Yeah, so that was it. Another short stream today. I'm not feeling well, so that is why I'm trying to take as much rest as possible. So yeah, this was a sweet 1 hour stream, and that I think we solved 3 problems, 3 easy problems. Next, from tomorrow onwards, I think the difficulty will increase a little, not like by a lot, but a little. Okay. To all watching, I want to thank you for joining this stream, and let's continue the series with all of you together. Yep. Okay. Good night then. Bye bye. I'm stopping the stream, and good night.